I'll show you how to make these earrings in 10 minutes. So you're going to need an earrings, crochet hook. I'm using 0.60 millimeter crochet hook and a knitting yarn. You're going to tie a slip knot. After you tie your slip knot, insert your crochet hook through the earrings like this and into the slip knot. Then you pull it this way and hold with your thumb. Then you attach the thread. Insert your crochet hook under, yarn over and pull through this way. Then you pull through two to make one single crochet. That's one. We are going to make up to 40. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you make up to 40 and we'll meet at the end. So I have 40 single crochet around the earrings. After the 40th single crochet, you turn your work, then you yarn over. We are going to start on the row 2. We are going to start making half double crochet. So you yarn over, insert in the first loop, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, make 1 chain, yarn over, skip the next loop, insert in the 3rd loop, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. You can see 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, make 1 chain, yarn over again, skip the next one, insert in the next, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, make 1 chain. So you are going to keep repeating this half double crochet, skipping 1 loop, doing the next, skip 1 and make half double crochet to the end. So I'm going to meet you at the end. So this is the last one. Pull through the whole tree and pull out your thread, then turn. You can see the way it is right now, but you turn it inside and try to spray it. So I'm going to make 3 chains now. 1, 2, 3, and you will turn. This chain 3 stands for one of the double crochet. So yarn over, insert again in the same chain 1 space, in the previous chain 1 space, and make another double crochet. Then make 1 chain. So I'm going to skip this next chain 1 space, insert your crochet hook in the next and make 2 double crochet there. 1 and 2, chain 1, skip this one, insert in the next, make 2 double crochet there. Chain 1, skip this one, insert in the next and make 2 double crochet, then chain 1, and you keep repeating the same thing to the end. So at the end you can see the last chain 1 space here. This is the last chain 1 space here, After you make your chain 1, yarn over. You are not going to insert in the last piece. You are going to make the 2 double crochet on top of this chain 3 space here. So in the last row we are going to make 4 chains here. I've done 1 already, 2, 3 and 4. There we are going to do treble crochet. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make 1 chain, then yarn over 1, yarn over 2, skip this one, insert in the next one and make a treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert in the same place again, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1 chain, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, skip this next place, insert in the next and make a treble crochet. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 2 times again and make another treble crochet in the same space. So you repeat the same in the remaining places. I'm going to skip this one, insert in this place and make a treble, skip this one, insert here, and at the end we are going to do it on top here. So I'll meet you at the end. So in the last space, you yarn over 1, yarn over 2, you are going to skip this last chain 1 space and you do the treble here. Make 1 chain and you cut off the yarn. Cut it a bit long. We are going to connect this end. Insert it back to this side and pull. So you can sew your ends inside. So friends, if you love this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.